Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kenmore BU4050 Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum, a product designed to tackle messes from top to bottom. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hard floors, or above-floor surfaces like stairs, this vacuum promises to handle it all with ease. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Kenmore BU4050 is a full-sized upright vacuum that offers a few key features to help make cleaning less of a chore. First, there's the Lift-Up Canister, which allows you to easily transition the vacuum to a lightweight pod with just a push of a button. This means no more struggling with the bulky body of an upright when you need to clean stairs, upholstery, or even your car. It weighs just 14 pounds, so it's relatively lightweight for an upright model. And with swivel steering, it's also easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. When it comes to suction power, the BU4050 doesn't disappoint. It uses the PowerFlow bag technology, which ensures that suction remains strong even as the bag fills up. The double wall design helps maintain airflow, so you can keep cleaning without noticing a drop in performance. This is especially important for users with larger homes or those who don't want to stop every few minutes to check the bag. If you're tired of constantly untangling hair from your vacuum's brush roll, the Hair Eliminator Nozzle is a game changer. This feature automatically removes hair from the brush roll, so you don't have to deal with the hassle of cleaning it yourself. It's a welcome addition, especially for pet owners or anyone dealing with long hair that tends to get tangled in standard vacuum brushes. Another standout feature is the no-touch bag technology. Gone are the days of dealing with the mess of emptying a dust cup. With just the press of a button, the dust bag automatically seals itself, meaning you won't have to touch the bag at all when it's time to empty it. This is a great feature for anyone who hates the messy cleanup associated with traditional bagless vacuums. In terms of filtration, the BU4050 doesn't slack off. It features a completely sealed system with a HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. For those who suffer from allergies or just want to maintain better air quality in their home, this is an essential feature. You can trust that when you're vacuuming, you're not just cleaning your floors, you're also reducing the amount of dust floating around in your home. Now, how does it handle real-world cleaning? We tested the BU4050 on a variety of surfaces, starting with hard floors. The suction is powerful enough to pick up fine dust, crumbs, and even small debris without leaving anything behind. When it comes to carpets, the Hair Eliminator Nozzle works wonders for removing pet hair and debris embedded in the fibers. However, on thicker carpets, you may need to adjust the suction power to avoid pushing the vacuum around too much. For stairs and upholstery, the Lift-Up Canister is a real asset. It's easy to detach and carry, making it ideal for those above-floor cleaning tasks. One thing to note is that while the BU4050 is lightweight, it still has a relatively large body, so maneuvering around tight corners or furniture can be tricky. However, the swivel steering does make a difference, helping you navigate more easily than with other uprights that don't have this feature. Noise levels are moderate. This isn't a whisper-quiet vacuum, but it's certainly not as loud as some older models. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the BU4050 is powerful, versatile, and easy to use. The Lift-Up Canister, Hair Eliminator Nozzle, and no-touch bag technology are all fantastic features that add convenience and make this vacuum stand out from the crowd. The sealed HEPA filtration system is another plus, especially for those with allergies. The vacuum is also relatively lightweight, which makes it more manageable than some of the bulkier alternatives out there. On the downside, the size of the vacuum can make it difficult to maneuver in tight spaces, especially in homes with a lot of furniture or small rooms. The noise level could also be a downside for some users, though it's not overly loud. Another potential issue is the fact that it's a bagged vacuum, meaning you'll need to replace bags regularly. While the no-touch bag technology makes this less of a hassle, it's still something to consider. In terms of value for money, the Kenmore BU4050 sits in the mid-range price category for uprights. While it offers excellent cleaning performance, especially for homes with pets, the value is highly dependent on your needs. For those with mostly hard floors or small carpets, it may be more vacuum than you need. However, if you have a larger home with pets or kids, the features like the Lift-Up Canister, powerful suction, and tangle-free brush roll make it a strong contender. When comparing the BU4050 to similar models, you might find alternatives like the Shark Navigator Lift-Away or the Bissell Clean View, which also offer bagged systems and similar features like detachable canisters and HEPA filtration. While the Shark Navigator is another great option for pet owners, it doesn't have the self-cleaning brush roll feature. So if that's a deal breaker for you, the BU4050 might be worth the extra investment. On the other hand, the Bissell Clean View is a bit more affordable, but doesn't come with quite as many bells and whistles, especially when it comes to filtration and pet hair removal. Build quality-wise, the Kenmore BU4050 feels sturdy. The plastics don't feel cheap, and the design is solid. The hose, brush roll, and canister attachments are all well-made and designed for durability. Maintenance is straightforward too. Emptying the bag is easy with the no-touch technology, and the brush roll can be cleaned without too much effort. However, if you're dealing with long hair or pet hair, you may need to clean it more frequently to keep it running at peak performance. As for customer support, Kenmore has a solid reputation, and you'll find reliable warranty coverage should any issues arise. The warranty for this model is standard, covering parts and labor for a limited time. To wrap up, the Kenmore BU4050 Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum is a solid choice for anyone who wants powerful suction, convenient features like the Lift-Up Canister and Hair Eliminator Nozzle, and a completely sealed filtration system. It's particularly well-suited for pet owners or allergy sufferers. While it might not be perfect for tight spaces or those on a budget, it offers great value if you need a versatile, high-performance vacuum that can handle a variety of surfaces and tasks. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Kenmore BU4050, be sure to check the comments box for more details. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop any questions or comments below, especially if you've already used this vacuum. Until next time, clean on, and goodbye from Reviewsinside TV.